Is an energy audit a place you can make money, or is it a loss leader that leads to follow-on products that make money?
Yeah, it's a personnel driven process. So it's not like selling panels for $30,000 and buying them for 10 and doing $7,000 of labor and walking away with 15, 12, $13,000 profit. So it's not a huge profit center for a business, but it doesn't mean it has to be a loss leader, meaning a company could sell a $800 energy audit. It could cost them $300, $400 worth of staff time, and they could be profitable on that offering. If they have the trained personnel, they have the right systems, the right software to do that energy audit efficiently. What is often kind of hidden from people's view when they think about this is not that the energy audit is this kind of low profit thing. It's that they already have loss leaders, and those are called solar quotes. They're already going out to the home or spending time on the phone or sending a proposal. And if they're sending somebody out, that is a cost that they've received $0 for. So, in a way, instead of it costing the labor with zero revenue, you can actually pick up, in many cases, anywhere from $300 to $800. Typically, that's the range, depending on how comprehensive the audit is and your market, to fund the bidding process. And that's one of the things that really worked for me when I started Energy Integrity back in 2010. Is there are a lot of utility subsidies for energy audits. In fact, we would get $600 in those days for performing. I think it was $550 or $600 for performing those energy audits. That's probably $1,000 or $1,500 in today's dollars. Yes, it would take a lot of time, but we were able to provide a very, very comprehensive, holistic proposal process. And we're getting at least our time and costs covered for that effort. So if you can leverage local utility rebate programs, if you can just create the kind of value for customers that they're willing to make that investment, it can actually not be a profit center, but be a way to cover operational costs, is the way I look at it.